Okay, so doing cutout for this insert for the foot, and I already measured everything. I did all the markings, and I'm gonna cut it real quick. This is pretty tricky cut because we're notching this inside. So what I marked is gonna be 5/8 to 5 3/8, starting from here. This is our cutout, and here I have the marks that I measured from this side to the side of the cutout. So let me show you how this one will go. Okay. So this is one side. This is it. And what I did on the, you see, because the marker gets washed out depending on the surface, I have a mark on the other side. So the next step for me will be to work on this cut from the other side. Tak przyłożę było widać. As you can see, this is our notch. I'm gonna make this a little bit more perfect now. Okay, so as you can see, here we have 5/8. This is what it's supposed to have, and here we have up to 5 3/8, and this distance is 10.5, and this is the one side of our cutout. And now we have the other side, same situation. I have the mark on the back, the mark is also over here. We have 5/8. Here we have our other side mark. Now I can try to break it, see, and I'm gonna work a little bit more to make those edging nice and even. Okay. So this is our cutout for the niche, the lower niche, nook, shelf, for the foot. Everything nicely matched. And this is my next part. Okay, so I have those pieces ready. Of course, I'm making sure that they dry. This is how it will fit. Very nice. And now, of course, our setting component. And the next piece will be the tricky piece, because it's very delicate. This is a very delicate side. If we put too much pressure, we're gonna break it. So the goal is to very gently install it. Okay. This is this piece. Next. Okay, the next step is of course to check how our level works, if everything is lining with the tiles on this wall. They almost dry. Okay, everything looks good. So we're ready to measure this cut. This appears to be... I'm not finishing this inside, I'm going to wait till tomorrow for these pieces to dry nicely. But yes, the other side looks like we have 1.25 inches, which is exactly the same cut that we had over there. We have also 1.25 inches, so this is good. Other pieces. Yeah, so we're pretty much following this. Again, same situation. No point for me to waste more of your time tiling piece after piece. You know what this is all about already. The key to the success is to nicely figure out the layout, mark the level, mark where the tile is gonna end, think about where we're gonna put actually bullnose tiles, and then it's common sense, easy steps. Of course, as I'm always saying, preparation is the most important. Tile work is just fun, but having everything prepared, measured, figured, waterproof, this is where the key to the success is. This is what's, I would say, really time consuming as well, and many contractors especially will rather start tiling right away because it means that they also will be finished sooner. So but we cannot avoid or skip this essential parts of the job. You see, now I'm going to measure those folks. Same story, we have 7 1/4. So Peter will work on those cuts in just a moment, and I will continue. We'll keep you updated. Okay, so as you can see, we getting closer to the ceiling. Not too many left. Add a little bit. Yeah, once again, the goal is to not have really corners sticking out. What many contractors or homeowners will do wrong is to apply the even amount of setting component on a wall or on a tile and just start pushing those tiles. We still have to apply setting component, we still have to push the tile, but we still have to play with the tile, adjust it so it's nice and smooth, so there's no really corners sticking out, the grouting are not crooked, and of course it's time consuming. It's something that is not that easy, but I would rather take extra step, remove piece that is not adjusted perfectly, add a little bit more component, put it back the correct way. Only doing this way we can achieve work, the type of work that you can see on my website and that you can see over here. So be careful, take your time when doing it, and you'll be definitely successful. I'm working right now on the shelf, this built-in niche finished with this OG trims. On one of my videos I'm presenting how to actually tile it, so you can take a look and you will find it on my channel, the way I'm building this nice niche, how I'm tiling these pieces. But yes, we using these pieces to tile it around, and then we will put some different tile on the back. You'll see how it will go in just a few.